Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Xiaomi smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got it. Finally, you can click on the month above. From here, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're ready, create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event over here. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it and pick starting hour. You can also select ending one or turn off this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. After that, select does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every week. When you're ready, select done at the top right corner. If you don't want it to repeat, just click on the same option and tap on does not repeat. Now you can add people, add videos, select add location here, tap on while using the app or only this time, then type in an address and click on the correct result. After that, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, and even take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, just click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you need to tap on it and then select this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can make your changes and save them by tapping on Save at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time, instead of the pen icon, click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then select Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!